Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nithi and our today's topic for this video is 20 most important phrases related to language in French. Okay, so if you are French learner or French speaker, then these 20 phrases is very important for you and for your day-to-day communication. At the time of communicating with other people, the language related phrases is very useful and important for you. So let's start. Okay, so our first word is language. So in French we would say long or longe longe longe. Okay, then next our first phrase is I speak English. I speak English. So, how we would say this phrase in French? It is Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais. Je parle anglais. I speak English. Okay. Then our next phrase is I speak a little French. I speak a little French. It would be Je parle un peu français. Je parle un peu français. Je parle un peu français. I speak a little French. Okay. Then our next phrase is I do not speak French. I do not speak French. It would be Je ne parle pas français. Je ne parle pas français. I do not speak French. Je ne parle pas français. Je ne parle pas français. Okay. Then our next phrase is Do you speak English? Do you speak English? So, when there is a word you involve in a particular sentence, or when you speaking something, or when you asking something to someone, so you have to introduce you in your sentence. So, in French, you can be in terms of two things, or it can be form of formal as well as informal form. So formally you denote वो and informally you denote to. Okay, जस्ट लाइक हिंदी, जैसे हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं किसी एल्डर से बात करते टाइम, रिस्पेक्ट के टाइम, या फॉर्मली किसी नए इंसान से बात करते टाइम हम उसको बोलते हैं आप प्लीज़ ये काम कर लीजिए. बट हम अपने किसी फ्रेंड रिलेटिव या हम अपने से किसी छोटे को से बात करते हैं तो हम ये बोलते हैं कि तुम ये काम कर लो. जस्ट लाइक दैट यहाँ पे जो हमारी फ्रेंच है इसमें फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल दोनों चीज़ें और दोनों तरीके के सेंटेंसेस और फ्रेजेस यूज होते हैं. Okay, I have explained these things in my previous videos also. So if you have any doubt, any kind of questions, so please watch those videos again so that you are aware where we can use to and where we can use wo. Okay, anyways, let's start. The sentence or the phrase is do you speak English? So formally we will say parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? And informally it would be parles-tu anglais? Parles-tu anglais? Okay, then our next phrase is how many language do you speak? How many language do you speak? Okay, so formally we will say combien de langues parlez-vous? Combien de langues parlez-vous? And informally we would say combien de langues parles-tu? Combien de langues parles-tu? Here there is a question that pahale in the with vu we use pahale and with tu we use pal. So with vu we are pronouncing ez, but tu we are not pronouncing es. So if you have these kind of question that why we are pronouncing this or why we are not pronouncing this, so if you have these kind of question, please watch my earlier video in which I have explained all the things so that you are clear about these things. Okay, so for this phrase or for this sentence, the formal sentence is combien de langue parlez-vous? Combien de langue parles-tu? Okay, then our next sentence is you speak French very well. Okay, then formally we would say vous parlez très bien français. Vous parlez très bien français. And informally, it would be tu parles très bien français. Tu parles très bien français. Okay. Then our next sentence is I am learning French. I am learning French. So it would be Japon le français. Japon le français. I am learning French. Japon le français. Japon le français. Okay. Our next sentence is how do you say dash or something in French? So formally we would ask comment dites-vous Comment dites-vous dash en français? Comment dites-vous dash en français? And informally it would be comment dis-tu dash en français? Comment dis-tu dash en français? Okay. Then our next sentence or phrase is what is this? It would be qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. Then this is called. This is called. The sentence would be say. Say and something. This is called something. Okay. So we would say in French, say dash. Say dash. Okay. So our next sentence is what does it mean? What does it mean? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est vous dire? Qu'est-ce que c'est vous dire? Qu'est-ce que c'est vous dire? Okay. Then our next phrase is could you repeat please? Could you repeat please? So formally we would say pouvez-vous répéter? Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? And informally it would be peux-tu répéter s'il te plaît? Peux-tu répéter s'il te plaît? Okay. Then our next phrase is could you speak slower please? Could you speak slower please? So formally pouvez-tu parler plus lentement s'il vous plaît? Pouvez-tu parler plus lentement s'il vous plaît? And informally it would be peux-tu parler plus lentement s'il te plaît? Peux-tu parler peux-tu parler plus lentement s'il te plaît? Okay. Then our next phrase is can you write it down? Formally, we would say pouvez-vous l'écrire? Pouvez-vous l'écrire? And informally, it would be peux-tu l'écrire? Peux-tu l'écrire? Okay, then our next sentence is how do you spell it? How do you spell it? It would be in formal sense comment l'appelez-vous? Comment l'appelez-vous? And informally, it would be comment l'appelles-tu? Comment l'appelles-tu? Okay. Then our next phrase is how do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? Formally, we would say comment prononcez-vous cela? Comment prononcez-vous cela? And informally, it would be comment prononces-tu cela? Comment prononces-tu cela? Okay. Then our next sentence is can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Formally, it would be pouvez-vous traduire cela pour moi? Pouvez-vous traduire cela pour moi? And informally, it would be peux-tu traduire cela pour moi? putu tedui sela pomua. Okay, so our next sentence is, did you understand? Did you understand? So formally it would be, avez-vous compris? Avez-vous compris? And informally, as-tu compris? As-tu compris? Okay, then our next phrase is, I understood. I understood. J'ai compris. J'ai compris. J'ai compris. Okay, and our last sentence or phrase is, I do not understand. I do not understand. It would be, je n'ai pas compris. Je n'ai pas compris. I do not understand. Je n'ai pas compris. Okay, so these are the words or sentences for today's video, and we will stop this video here. And I hope you like the video and enjoy the video. There are so many vocabulary here, and you can mix and match the sentences. You can form your sentences also and use that vocabulary, and use these sentences or learn these sentences so that you are rich with your phrases and you can speak with fluency and nicely French. Okay, so I hope you'll enjoy the video and you like the video. If you enjoy and if you want to learn with me, so please like and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. And of course, if you want to study something else, or if you want to make a video on different topics, so please comment me. Okay, so just study and enjoy. Thank you so much. Merci. Au revoir. Bye bye.